Want to make amazing 4K images with AI? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it using the SeeDream 4.0. Super easy and fast. Without wasting much time, let's get started. First, we need a prompt. Head over to ChatGPT and type something like we are going to use this for our example, so send your prompt. Our prompt has been generated successfully, so let's copy this our prompt because we are going to go into the next step. Now let's head over to Gemini.com. This is where we are going to be generating our 4K image. If you don't have an account, quickly sign up with your Google account. Now let's click on create. Now we are going to arrange some few settings to make it give us a 4K picture. Click here and click on the image 4.0. This is the SeeDream 4.0 we have been talking about. Next step is to select the aspect ratio and the resolution. Okay, I'm going to be using 60 ratio now for a tutorial purpose, and come here and set the resolution to 4K. Once it is set, you can come here and paste your prompt. Okay, let's send this down. Within few minutes, our prompt will be generated. Okay, you can see our image has been generated successfully. Now we can come here and take a look. This is our image. If you want more images, or if it doesn't match what you want, you can keep on trying more prompts till you get what you want. You can see how quality and well detailed the images are. So just click here to download it. Download. Okay, thanks for watching.